Hi, I'm Dr. Gowthami. I'm from Ballari. I got to know about this course through my colleagues. I joined this FRM course as it was hybrid. We had interactive sessions every week where our doubts were solved effectively. We got to learn from the experts staying at our home and our clinics. In the online classes, we were taught about the concepts from the basics like anatomy, extremes like poor ovarian responders, then how to deal with PCOS patients. In the simulation classes, we were taught about IUI, hysteroscopy, ovum pickup. The simulators were actually mimicking the patients. We are confident now to do the pickups. Meenakshi ma'am, Akanksha ma'am, Shantala ma'am and Kamini ma'am's classes were extremely good. These classes were very interactive. We had the privilege of listening to the recorded classes of every staff. Our concepts are very clear. Hopefully, we would be a good fertility specialists in future. It's very good to learn from the faculty, experts in this field. Thank you.